Generative AI is a hot topic these days, which is why PwC and AWS have collaborated to enable fusion centers to incorporate this capability for interactive chat systems. We're able to come in and be able to ask about recent threat bulletins, for example, and better understand how that applies to our environment. What things should we do as an incident response team in order to mitigate recent threats? And then, ultimately, where does it sit in our environment? Can we better understand what we should be looking for and how that can apply? This includes the capability, as we have interconnections into various applications, to actually search for where those queries are found so that we can better hone in on remediating the solution very quickly.